Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup CSV datasets with checksums and version history. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your CSV datasets with checksums and version history, start by preparing your working directory. Open your command line interface. Navigate to the directory where your CSV files are stored. Next, create a new directory for your backups. Use the dir backup command to create this folder. Now, identify the CSV files you want to backup. You can list the files using the ls command. Select one CSV file to work with for this tutorial. Generate a checksum for the selected CSV file using the md5sum command. This will produce a unique identifier for the file's content. Record the checksum in a separate text file named checksums.txt. Now create a version history log by creating a file named version_history.txt. In this log, note the current date and time. Include the name of the CSV file and the checksum you just created. Move the CSV file into the backup directory. You can use the mv command followed by the file name and the backup directory path. Next, make a copy of the CSV file within the backup directory. Name this copy according to the versioning system you wish to use. For example, data_v1.csv. Append the current date to the file name to indicate when the file was backed up. Now update the version history log with the new file name. Repeat the process as needed for additional CSV files. For every backup, ensure you generate a new checksum and update both the checksums and version history files. Finally, regularly review your backup directory to manage old versions and check for file integrity with the checksums you recorded. This ensures your datasets are securely backed up with version history. You're now equipped to backup your CSV datasets efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.